Codesignal, arcade, databases, website hacking. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I have a stuffy nose, so pardon me for going through this problem with a little bit of slurry language, but let's begin anyways. So you've been dreaming to become a famous hacker. Let's skip all this useless description Codesignal likes to throw at us. And we have this users table that contains the following columns: ID, login, name, type, and just those four, just those four types, not five. Sorry about that. And the query of access to gather some information about the users who have the user type. You don't want to get caught, so you want to carefully update it so that the query will return the records of all existing types. So your task is to update the existing query, and you should add something to the query, but don't rewrite it. So this is our existing query right here. You can see that it selects everything: ID, login, and name from the users table, where the type is equal to user. We need to fill it in for these three dots, also known as ellipses, and make it ordered by ID. So we have this table. It returns this query before, but we want it to return back to normal with everything in there. So how would I do that? Well, right now we know that this where is filtering all the types based on the type of user, which is called just user. So you can see right here, anything with user, that's what it's filtering right here in this table. Now to add everything else that is not a user, hint hint, wink wink, that's what we should do. So how do we do that? It's simply using this OR statement where the type does not equal user. Awesome, it passed. How about if we submit it? So easy, guys. Well, for me, but I hope this makes sense. So basically what we have to do is basically fill in what is not filtered. And what is not filtered is anything that is not a user. That's why we use the OR statement, which encapsulates both types, users and non-users. I hope you like my content. Not only like on YouTube, but subscribe if you think it's great. Otherwise, guys, good luck for your SQL tests, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments, but I hope this is easy. See ya.